In the name of Allah, starting the server and connecting the client. First, we start the server program which listens for incoming client connection on a specific port, in this case port 1310. When the server is running, it continuously waits for the client to connect. Now I am running the client program. The client connects the server using its IP address, usually localhost 127.0.0.1 and the same port. As soon as a client successfully connects, the server displays the message client connected. It also keeps a count of active clients showing active client numbers. This helps monitor how many users are currently connected to the server. Once connected, both the client and server are ready to send and receive message in real time.
After the connection is established, the client user can type any message in the input box. When the send button is clicked, the message is sent to the server via socket output stream, and the input box clears automatically. The server receives the message and displays it as client message. Then the server replies with server response to your message. However, if the client sends an empty message or a message that contains only special characters like @ hashtag, etc., the server detects it as invalid and replies with error. This validation helps to ensure clean and useful communication. Also, all chat activity including invalid input and server responses is logged in a file.
If the client is closed manually or send the exit command, the server detects the disconnection and prints client disconnected. As soon as the client is disconnected, it shows reconnecting and automatically tries to reconnect to the server within 5 seconds. The shutdown button closes the server socket and blocks further client from connecting. If the server is closed while the client is still connected, the server throws an exception. This is called an error message is displayed, indicating that the server has shut down. These exceptions are handled gracefully to avoid the program crashing and instead show a relevant error or status message. The graphic interface also prevents editing of old message, keeping the chat history clean and structured. Overall, this project demonstrates a simple and effective Java socket-based chat system with the GUI, real-time validation, disconnection handling, and message logging for smooth user experience.